Scheduling staff without a spreadsheet can seem tricky, but it's totally doable and way more efficient than relying on outdated methods. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule staff in a more organized and automated way without the need for complicated spreadsheets. First, let's talk about why spreadsheets are such a pain for scheduling. They're time-consuming, prone to errors, and require constant updating, especially if you're managing multiple shifts or a large team. Plus, if something changes, you're left scrambling to make adjustments manually, which can lead to confusion and mistakes. So, how do we avoid this headache? By using scheduling software. But here's the thing. I've tried many popular scheduling software options out there, and today I'll show you one that stands out. This software streamlines everything you need for scheduling staff, and it's super user-friendly. To start, all you need to do is input your team's availability and preferred shifts into the software. Most platforms allow you to upload these details, and once your team's schedules are in place, the software can automatically generate the weekly or monthly schedule for you. No more wasted time creating schedules from scratch. What's even better is that you can make real-time adjustments without rewriting the whole thing. If a staff member calls in sick or needs a last-minute change, you can easily swap shifts in the software, and everyone gets updated notifications instantly. This saves time, reduces mistakes, and ensures that the schedule is always up to date. Another great feature is that you can allow your staff to access the schedule online. They can view their shifts, request time off, and even swap shifts with each other, all without you having to be involved in every change. This takes a huge burden off your shoulders and keeps everything organized in one central location. I recommend you check out the software we'll be using today. I've arranged an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel, so you can follow along with this tutorial. You can find that free trial link in the description below. Now let's quickly go over the key points. Scheduling staff without a spreadsheet is simple when you use the right scheduling software. You can input your team's availability, create schedules automatically, make real-time updates, and allow your team to view and request shifts on their own, all without the headache of spreadsheets. The key takeaway here is that moving away from spreadsheets is all about efficiency. You'll save time, reduce errors, and make your team's scheduling process far more manageable. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great opportunity to try out the software for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of my content for more easy-to-follow guides.